For weight loss surgery, mainly it depends upon the accepted norms are related to the BMI, body mass index. So any person who is having body mass index more than 35 is eligible for weight loss surgery. And 35 with comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, and dyslipidemia means high cholesterol, they are indicated for weight loss surgeries. And a person, if BMI is more than 40, without comorbidities like high blood pressure and diabetes, is also eligible for weight loss surgeries. And there is a variation in race also, like Asians, the accepted criteria is that if BMI is more than 32.5 with these comorbidities, they are also eligible for weight loss surgery. Now, these weight loss surgeries, they not only help you in reducing the weight, but the main other advantage is that it improves all the metabolic disorders in the body due to obesity, like diabetes, high blood pressure, knee joint pains or damage to knee joints, and uh, high cholesterol and lipids. All these things they improve when a person goes through the weight loss surgeries, and to some extent we can say that this is the much better and beneficial effect on these diseases due to established weight loss surgeries.